Bucars RV is always looking for the best value in the marketplace, and with the Sabre fifth wheel from Forest River, we think we found that. It's made in Oregon and is just full of features and benefits that can accommodate the whole family, friends, and everybody else you want to bring with you.
Our Sabre 36 bunkhouse, living space is 36 feet. Overall, bumper to pin, we're a little over 40 feet. So it is a big unit. I would be more comfortable with a 1 ton under this, just to be safe, to make sure on those hills I'm going to make it up the hill and not have to buy a new transmission when I get to the site after, right? You could get 10 in here quite comfortably. We have an awesome bedroom with a king bed, and this king bed will actually incline, so sitting up reading, watching TV at night, and then lay it down flat for sleep. Everything's very user-friendly. We're just flipping switches to make everything come online for us. We have bunk units where we'd have a couple of oversized bunks, almost like a queen bed, stacked in the back corner. We have bunk houses where we have a separate room for the kids to go into. And in this case, we've got a mid-bunk unit. And what I really like about the mid-bunk is the slide on the side of the coach that we can run out, accommodate the kids. And if their kids aren't coming, you don't have to run the slide out. It doesn't interfere on our living space. So we still have a great living room kitchen area with really nice Cinemex recliner seats, LED lights, cup holders for your drinks, and also heated and massage as well. We got space that you could comfortably have 6-8 people sitting back here watching the TV, taking advantage of the fireplace to help keep your propane costs down, because if we're plugged in, we've got electric heat as well. The nice thing is with this unit, they've taken our gate valves when we close off our holding tanks, and they're mounted up in the underbelly. That underbelly is now heated with insulation around the holding tanks, and the furnace is blowing into that. So when the house demands heat, we have heat going into that, and that's going to keep all your lines protected, warm. This unit is so well appointed. They've pretty much thought of everything that you would need to be truly comfortable when you get out there. The best prices right now in our 18 units. So we take advantage of what we got here now, and we'll make sure you're happy, and we're ready to get you going for the camping season.
If you come up to Bucars RV and check out the brand new Sabre fifth wheel from Forest River, one of my sales professionals will gladly take you through the unit and show you all the awesome features they have.